What's up, Amazons? Welcome back to my channel. I always forget to turn this on when I'm filming. Oh, I guess you can't really tell if it's on or not. But it has lights in there. Oh no, you can't tell with all these bright ring lights. Can you tell back there? And this is the book stack I'm currently working on. If you guys are interested in book stacks, I make really cute ones. They're on my Etsy page, and they're not $140 like some sellers sell theirs for. I was like, what? But this is sorry, they're not glued together yet. I glue them together, so they're just one piece of decor, but I need to do the pages and glitter first. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Okay. That's enough show and tell. Actually, we're gonna do a little bit more show and tell with the Singlesswag Petite box. That's what I ordered, but it just says Singlesswag, but I ordered the Petite box, and I'm pretty sure that this is for June. So, yeah, June. It does say, just kidding. Alright. So, the first product is this Chloe Emery soap dish set. Upgrade your bathroom decor with the decorative ceramic soap dish and accompanying luxury bar soap with a fresh linen scent. Well, if I didn't make my own soap and soap dishes, I mean, this would be cute. Here's the soap. And here is the soap dish. So let me ask you a question. Tell me which looks better. This one or this one? I mean, maybe I just have super glam taste. And this is in Love Spell. Oh my gosh, the Victoria's Secret scent. That legit takes me back to high school. But this also doesn't cost $32. Just saying. Alright. Okay, next is this Gemma Simone Presley 2 necklace layering set. This striking set features 2 silver necklaces of varying sizes, a necklace with a solid coin charm, and a necklace inlay with bars. Pair the 2 necklaces as a set or wear each on its own. Okay, that is actually super cute. I almost want to keep it, but it's just not my style. It's too bad, but it retails for $54. Maybe that's why it's not my style. Oops. So this box was $19.99 for the Petite. Alright, next is this Molly Jacobs Dazzling Illuminator. Give your skin a soft and natural looking glow. Can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own. So this retails for $26. It doesn't give me like any idea of what color it is. Do I open it and swatch it? Oh yeah, we have to see what kind of goods they're giving us. We have to. Oh shit, hold on. My God, I swear. There's these 2 women at the door, and they're like, you know, there's been some damage to the cars in the parking lot, and we want to make sure your car's okay. Which one's yours? And I told them. She comes back and she's like, yeah, she has glass all over the window. And I'm like, what? And I just answered the door. I'm like peeking behind the door because I don't have any pants on. They're like, you want to put some pants on and we'll show you? I'm like, okay. So I go out there And she's like, yeah, this, and this. And I'm like, little scratches on my windshield. I'm like, okay. She's like, yeah, it could be from like rocks when you're driving. You drive on the highway a lot, right? I'm like, no. Yeah, we could get, your insurance could replace that for you for free. I'm like, listen, I'm gonna be real with you. I don't care if they would replace it for free. I am too tired and in too much pain to do anything else right now. Add anything else to my plate. Thank you for wasting my time. Okay. Back to the Molly Jacobs Dazzling Illuminator, which retails for $26. Oh my gosh, you guys want to see the cutest thing ever? I've been making these lipstick lip gloss holders for your keychains. So here's like a mermaid one. So look. And you put it on your keys. I mean, it can even fit a bigger one. Like, that's a full-size Anastasia liquid lipstick. How adorable, right? And like, I'm Barbie obsessed and I'm leopard obsessed. I don't know why I didn't keep this one. I kept another one, but it's this Bangle Key Chain, and then so I have the Barbie in gold. I have a gold heart and pink diamond and a pink little pom-pom. All right, I'm sorry. I have ADD, and this seal is not easy. Ooh, it's pink, and I would have never known. Here is what it looks like. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh, you know what? I was just thinking when I was doing my makeup today, or makeup for the video, because I was putting on a pink powder highlighter. I'm like, I wish I had a pink liquid base. That is so pretty. And it almost has like a duochrome shift to it a little bit. I want to say it's like almost a little rose goldish, but no, it's more, well, it could be a little bit of both. Okay, I'm actually really excited about that. All right, then we have this OK SOS Face Soothing Lotion. Fortified with tea tree and zinc to combat shine, this silky white tea-infused face lotion delivers a soothing burst of weightless hydration to the skin for a well-balanced complexion. Okay, I will probably save this for a giveaway. Retails for $18. And the last product is these scrumptious shortbread cookies. These rich, delectable shortbread cookies are too good to have just one. And they retail for $6. Oh, they're getting all over. I just want to show you one. And eat one, of course. So here's what they look like. I'll just fell in my trash, but I'll eat them anyways. Oh. I like how, sorry. They actually add up the retail value for you, because I was just about to do that. So the retail value is $136. I'm not super impressed with the first box, to be honest. I like the highlighter, liquid highlighter. I'm glad I opened it. I like the cookies. I mean, the soap is cute. That could be a good gift. But I mean, I give people like the soap I make, so I kind of already have a biased opinion on that. The jewelry is really pretty. It's just not my style. And I already have so many moisturizers and ones that I've been using for years, you know, so I'm not going to try something else, especially with a panda on it. But I think I'm going to maybe try another box or two and see what I get in those boxes. If you do get Singlesswag or Singlesswag Petite, let me know in the comments below and let me know how you like it. Alright, I will see you in my next video.